Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Mausau Government LP UP and RMSA Secondary School haringkat gajing ipo ipiang kalapan hap perdano eka annual school sports meet arajar arpuan rio. Kabla long lai skill enter but yo ban penkut no ha khat khanai trik uduber arajar arpuan rio. Ya kani ka annual school sports meet na wan ban pen hap perda do ba Renikton ding do tongkhar MLA ka than haringkat gajing sakhilang ki kme ki pa but ki pat ba nong shong shnong. Ya ka best march pass how ne usnam la yo da ka blue house. Best Discipline but House of the Year la yo daga Greenhouse. Uba Renikton ding do haba jingkran hakani ga Sngewlehrain pau ka jingkmen banyu i ga jingroi stat but jingbuan ki khna puli ha Skul Mausau Government LP UP and RMSA Secondary School but ule thur baman ba ule program shaki Skul Sorkar ujuret mensim but Sngewlehrain wat bane Shondur lang namar ka jingduna ki khna Skul ki badan kumba ship ho ne khat sangut but ki baryam terput terphat namar Omdan manu ban pen bhabrio ban pen khot yaki. Hendai ula pen pau ka jingkmen bani I ka Skul government ha Mausau baki khna Skul hanong kendong clearing kat kerdan bat ki wei ka Skul daga jing shim khia jong gino hikai. Uba Renikton ula kularu bon se pen yo ka fencing bat ka surok rong ka bandage Skul khnang baki khna kinlat na ka kti bat ka ha ka por rior.
My dear student, I'm very happy. I want to express my sincere happiness to see the student from government school like you today standing here. Kat sabangalet haki Skul Sorkar ngaju urit mensim bat Sngewlehrain hiru otang mani Shondur namar don kai tiap ngut don di Skul Sorkar badon tang shpungut don di Skul Sorkar badon khatsan ngut nang ta terpot-pot haka mut haka idon watang mano bat pen bhabreu dan pen khoj yaki khna Skul haki Skul Sorkar. I'm very happy to see you here today, my dear girl student. You are so beautiful. All girls, you are so beautiful. And to you all boy student, you are so handsome. So handsome. So I'm very happy to see students from government school in the rural area of Mausau to see you as you expressed today in your march past and as you smile to me. I'm very happy to see you here standing on this ground. I wish you all the best. Nakit ba kriwang ipigi kena ikbaran ka school. Ya ka ba pinang job nakapor sikapor ba pinang pas kamba nakaway ka kadan kaway par kadan. Bat nga ay ka jing kublay hakmat jong pi ki kimigi kpa. So kemen bani I ka jing kemen jo ki kimiro kilaya mare lang bat pigi kena. Ban me kada ka first time bangan yo I ba ki kimi kinya me banela sports rangkat berki kena. Ban yo I ki young mothers ki kimi barang samla jong kinong Mausau banya mare hangne hamaran mene kebele sibana ekni kilong kimi kene ka pudi ka jingkemen jong pi kilong kimi nam takan ka Skul Sorkar ngiju khuslai bah ka bangilek check ki Skul Sorkar namar kilong kum ki Skul ki ba omdon mano wasi me ka jingong try henre ka Skul tenat barkade ka jing sarong jongan nam takan ka Skul hangne Mausau haka bangayo I ka jinglong try ka barung haka mensim jong pi kinong hikai ngala tan ye wei babu ban keli pio fon nei naka Sorkar ban organize kumya kini ki ba kumya kini ki sports meet namar umjuk hamdon ki Skul Sorkar yong mdon fon ei ndri ngila sia le la kayele nagamta ka jing bahaban pan kemane pi kna kuble shibun kino hikai baro ki balashim kia ban organize ya kene ka sports meet jong kene ka Skul bar kene ka long ka nuksa ka babah tungin ra ekane kaduksa kawabhasya baro ki Skul Sorkar jong ka district ha Southwest Khase Hills jong barok ki skul sorkar ki badon ha ka nega constituency jongi hang ne mo kruat bar barok ki skul sorkar ki badon ha ka state me khalya hi barok kawe ngaku aban ong ye pi ko ki khon khna jo ka skul LP UP bat RMSA secondary school hang ne ha mo saw ba phim ya dunai e ya ki we ki skul ngar skul komen ma skul achievement ba philaya pass bahana ka skul ra ekne khobor ba bha Sakini kisnong marjan barok hoy ay bakin tip baka skul mau saw ka skul sorkar ka khambha banyak ki skul private kalong ka ba hadok kata-kata ngimju khamla hangno hangno bar khambha da ki skul sorkar ngas ngau sarong but kumwe na ki MLA ki bar mentawar ke sorkar ke sorkar MDA ngawan ra ka jing ay khublai na du chief minister happy ki kena juga ni skul mau saw bat hapi kino hikai barok kibadon nado ke LP ke UP bar ka RMSA hang ne hamosau ha ka pila le bah hadok kata-kata bat ngan kit bok kirwiang pinang la ban le khambha susu nang ne syakmat